Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jasmine, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make rice water. I've been using it for about 2 months now on my hair and the kids' hair and loving the results. So if you want to see how it's made, then stay tuned. The products that you'll need for this is a mason jar or any type of container bottle that has a lid, rice, any choice, a measuring cup, and something to help easily pour it into the jar. So first you're going to need rice, any choice. I'm using jasmine rice, and you're going to want to rinse the rice in sink water, kitchen water, doesn't matter, and then just clean your rice, and from there you're going to want to grab some bottled water or distilled water and pour it into your jar as well. I just decided to pour my rice inside of the jar first and then put the water into the jar afterwards. You can either decide to let your water sit for 45 minutes or overnight for about 24 hours, which is what I like to do. But instead of letting it sit in the jar, I let it sit in the jar for about 30 minutes and then I'll transfer it over into my spray bottle. I'm going to be adding some tea tree oil to mine, as well as this wild growth oil. I'm also going to be adding mint, because if you don't know, after that rice sits in that water overnight, it's going to smell terrible. Like when I tell you, it smells disgusting. So I love to add these products to it to kind of kill that smell off, and then it works a little bit more. Fermented rice water contains vitamins B, C, and E, which further help in hair growth. The best way to use rice water to grow your hair is to rinse it right after you wash it. I like to follow this process at least twice a week, and I've noticed that my hair and my kids' hair have little to no shedding. So that's basically it. After I add all my oils into my spray bottle, I will use this during the week, maybe every other day or every 2 days. And then I put it in the refrigerator just to keep it from fermenting anymore and to preserve it. And so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share this video. Also subscribe to our channel. We're almost hitting that 1,000 mark, and we would love for you to join our family. See you later. Bye guys.